Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this system we designed here a hybrid system with solar system and wind system, and in this system we can generate power from our wind and also from this solar panel, and we can store that voltage in this battery, and then we can operate our DC loads and AC loads. To operate this system we need to make sure power supply on, and then this LCD will show battery voltage, wind voltage and solar voltage also. And you see that here DC voltage is showing that produced from our solar panel, and this part will be blink when power will be generated from this wind system. In this system we use here 3 DC motor. One will be operated from this power supply by using 5 volt, and another DC motor will be rotated automatically by the rotation of another free DC motor, and then it will generate power, and that will store in our battery and showing in this LCD. So we can turn on this one, so it's rotating, and that's why here LED is blinking. You see here that it's LED on now, and when we will turn off this part it will turn off. And this is the another options to show the output of DC motor rotation by using our power source, but on that case we will generate power from the speed of wind and the rotation of this fan. So it's not possible that we will provide more air flow in this fan. That's why we use this part, and if we rotate this part, at that moment this LED will be turned on and it will be blinking, and we can make it rotation, but it's not get proper rotation. That's why it's not blinking here. But when we will rotate this one by using our hand, at that moment you see here that our LED is blinking. And in this case, if we provide proper rotation for this DC motor, that time we will generate proper voltage from this wind system. Now we will turn on our DC load. It's our DC load that's operated from our battery voltage, and on that same cases we use here a AC load also, and we need to convert this DC voltage to AC voltage to operate this AC load. So we use here a inverter circuit, and this inverter circuit will convert this DC voltage to AC voltage and turn on this AC load. So you see here that this inverter circuit connected with our DC source, and it's blinking, and our AC load also turn on now. So we can turn on or turn off our AC load side, and when our DC load will be turned on, at that moment we can see the consumption of power that will measure by using a current sensor, and it will show in our LCD display. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and if you like this video then you can subscribe our channel or follow us on Facebook. On the other hand, if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.